Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I have another special casting from Hot Wheels, which is 17 Ford F-150 Raptor. It is part of HW Dot. Actually, this casting is very special for me. I am maybe in future I will tell you why it is special for me. But also it is a very good looking casting. Because of that, these two reasons, it is current favorite of mine. So by doing this, let's unbox this, shall we? So yes, as you can see here, it is part of HW Dirt and it is 9 out of 10 and 178 of 250. Yes, I have bought this at MRP or 170, which is 179. Actually, I have not bought this. Somebody special gift bought this as a gift for me, and yes, it is a very good looking casting. And the spectral flame finish, blue finish, it's almost looking like a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt, but no, it is not. It is just a normal mainline, but the die cast is looking so great that it's almost look like a special casting or treasure hunt. And just see the finishing, the Ford performance logo, and the another logos. It is so detailed, and especially the backlight is here and the front light is also here. So usually in main lines only front light or the backlight only shown, but in this casting we can see here that the front light is also there and the backlight is also here. So yes, I am actually very much excited to unbox this and give a review of it. So let's unbox. Let me unbox this. Just a minute. Here it is. Okay. Yes, here it is. So yes, the die cast is looking great actually, totally. Let me zoom it. I guess you guys are able to see it. Just look at this die cast. It is so great. I mean, just finishing is nobody will gonna say it is just a 179 rupees die cast. The performance, Ford performance logo, another logos, so detailed, and you can clearly see it. What it is written in this, right? And the front light is looking great actually, absolutely. The overall diecast is actually looking great. You can see here the Ford logo is here. The front light, the head, basically the headlight is, you can see here. Let me zoom it. Yes, so the headlights are looking great, and the logo of Ford is also, you can see here. And yes, the backlight are also so good that it is almost looking like a, yes, real. So this diecast is little heavy compared to other Hot Wheels mainlines. You can see obviously it's a performance truck, so it should be a little heavy. And if you ask me, I will rate this car around 9 out of 10, because the obviously the spectral frame finish, the logos and the designs are so clear that you can give clearly 9 out of 10 easily. So yes, because of that reason I am giving it a 9 out of 10. So yes, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Also you can put a comment and let me know which diecast you want me to review next. And by doing this, I am wrapping up my video. Hope you guys are liking my videos. Stay tuned for more videos. Wrap up.